too much glue. Hi, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you can do to get it back. So today we're talking about too much glue. And what I mean by that is that I constantly see these guys on YouTube that are telling you how to put on your hair system and reapply your hair system and service your hair system and buy your hair system. And I just recently saw this guy, and he's starting his channel, and I mean, guys, less is more. You can't be putting all this glue on your hair system. And then on top of that, they go to deliver the hair system, and you can see that all this white copolymer adhesive is still just all over the hair system because they've just put so much glue. It's like screw 5 thin coats. We're just gonna put one big thick coat. And the problem with that is that when you lay that hair system down, if it's a skin base, it's not going to cure and go clear that adhesive. It's going to stay white. So you're going to have white lines or white dots through the scalp that's never ever going to cure because you're going to start perspiring and sweating, and it's going to stay in a white state. And and if it's lace, Swiss, French, whichever you choose, it's going to ooze. The adhesive's going to ooze through, up and through the lace and into the hair, and then you're going to have glue on your hair, and that's a holy mess, basically, if you do that. Now, why don't these guys let this adhesive cure before applying the hair system? I'm not really sure. Lack of education, I would say, would be the number one. And then impatient. They're making a video. They're not going to edit the video, so therefore the glue's not drying, and you know what? The camera's rolling, or my phone is using up its battery, so I've got to put the hair on. And they go ahead and apply the hair system. If you do a thin coat, you won't have to. If you apply it correctly, you won't have to worry about that. All right? So this is just a rant today that I'm kind of I just saw this video recently, and I just couldn't believe how much adhesive this guy poured onto the hair system. It was just, and then to see him lay the hair system, and you see the white adhesive all over the base of the hair system, which means that just a disaster. And then, because it was a disaster, it even was on the video that it was a disaster. The glue oozed down into his hair, so he took his CR22 adhesive remover and he sprays it all over the hair. Well, okay, correct me if I'm wrong. We just adhered with adhesive a new bond adherence to our scalp. And then we just put CR22 adhesive remover in the adhesive to remove it again. Not all of it, just a section. So what do you think is going to happen down the road when that oil seeps in there and breaks that adhesive down? And guarantee it's not going to last very long. So if you find yourself in a situation, and for you video makers out there that are working on being an influencer, and for your fans and your subscribers, you can solve that problem. One, by not putting so much freaking adhesive. Two, you can accelerate the cure by using a cool blow dryer. Or if you're not in a blow dryer situation, and maybe, hey, you're just doing the front hairline and you've found you've put too much adhesive, just go stand in front of an air conditioner or go out in your car and turn the air conditioner blower on and blow it right in your face and wait till it dries clear. But always wait till it dries clear, guys. then proceed to lay the hair system down. All right? All right, so that was just a little rant today that I've had. Probably have a few more of these as we go along. They're kind of fun. And so if you have any comments about today's subject of too much glue, let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.